Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Clipchamp to record our screen. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed Microsoft Clipchamp application on your Windows. Usually this Clipchamp application will be installed automatically, but if you haven't found this Clipchamp application, you can go to the Microsoft Store and you can download this application. Okay, I'm just going to open up this application guys, and then I'm going to create a new project on this application. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new video. I'm going to click on this option, and then we can go to record and create. And here we'll have some options guys. We can choose screen and camera, screen or audio. And for me, I'm just going to choose screen only without recording myself. And if we want to start the recording, we can click on this button like this, and then we can choose the window we want to record. And for me, I'm just going to choose this window, and I'm going to click on share. Okay, and now the video is being recorded with my Microsoft Clipchamp, and then I'm going to go back and stop the recording. You can click on this button to share. Okay, and now the video is being recorded. Okay, and then you can click on save and edit, or you can retake recording, and I'm just going to choose save and edit. And then the video will be added to the Clipchamp project, and we will be able to edit it. If you want to export it, just click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Microsoft Clipchamp to record PC screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!